welcome to my channel. Yes, you guys, I'm bringing you the Walmart Ibotta haul. Not a great week, but there are some repeaters, and then there's some good deals that you guys can do. Some deals I did do ended in a couple of like 17 hours is when I submitted my receipt. So definitely check it out depending on what you want to do. Now there is a ton of other deals that I do not mention in this video because with Ibotta, they usually reset 5 times. So it depends. Some of them never reset and some of them do. So it depends on what you guys have, but if you see some really good like Ibotta deals that I did not mention in this video, go back my last 2 videos because there's some deals that you guys can do. I just maxed out on some of those rebates because I say they only reset 5 times and then they're gone. So they still might be available for you, but not available for me, so that's why I don't share with you guys. But so definitely check out my last 2 Walmart Ibotta hauls, and you guys can check out those deals too. One thing I like about Walmart is their prices never like go on sale, so you guys can get, you know, the same stuff kind of every other week. So just giving you guys a heads up with that. But I want to thank Noreen for giving me those coupons. I got those in the mail today. She sent me Persil coupons, which is awesome. I wanted to do the Persil deal at Walmart, but the $2 rebate wasn't popping up. It was only the $1 rebate for the product that I was scanning. And then she gave me dial products, or dial coupons, which came in handy because I got to use that today. So I'm just going to share with you guys what I got. A lot of food items again, and then there's some personal care items here and there. So the first deal I got is the macaroni cheese deal. Now this deal does end very soon, so it depends on what it shows on your app. I think it said it ended like in a couple days, but then all of a sudden my thing it said it ended in a couple hours. Not sure. But these were 88 cents. You guys want to buy 4 of them. You would pay $3.52. But then you guys can submit a $1 off of 4 rebate with Ibotta, making it $2.52 or just 63 cents a box. And you guys know what? I told you this last week. I haven't had original macaroni and cheese in a very long time. I always eat the special shapes. But I made this and I'm like, you know what? It tastes exactly the same. I don't know why I'm so obsessed with noodles, but pretty excited. And I think you get a whole lot more with these than you do with the special shapes. But usually the special shapes is a little bit less, which is great because that's just all I eat. I'll eat a whole box to myself. Yes. Another deal that is ending soon is the Velveeta shells and cheese. These were $2.73. You guys need to buy 3 of them. You would pay $8.19 for 3 of them. Then you can submit a $2 off of 3 rebate with Ibotta, making it $6.19 or just $2.06 a piece, which is a pretty decent deal. I think this can feed 3 people, sometimes 4 depending on how much you guys get. But I love Velveeta shells and cheese. These are by far like my favorite. I just love it. And I always buy the 3-pack. I find it when I go to the grocery stores when they have the 3-pack, it's a whole lot cheaper. But doing it this deal, it ended up becoming cheaper than the 3-pack. So it just depends on what you guys want to do. I did the Crunchmaster deal again. Now I did sign up. If you guys can't figure it out, you go to Lozo, Lozo.com. You type in the brand that you're looking for, and it'll directly take you to the website that that has the printable coupon. I use that website like crazy to take me directly to certain coupons. So yeah. So I ended up using a $1 printable coupon from the Crunchmaster website. You would pay, or this comes out to be $2.78. You guys use that $1 off coupon. $1.78 is the price you pay, but then you can submit a $1.25 rebate with Ibotta, making it just 53 cents. So if you guys need some crackers for 53 cents, that's a pretty good deal. I feel like we get these deals all the time between Checkout 51 and Ibotta. We get Crunchmaster deals all the time. So not much else you're missing out on, okay? So I did the Swedish fish and the Sour Patch deal again. So it's basically you buy 2. So these were $1 and these were $1. So you need to buy 2 Swedish fish or you need to buy 2 Sour Patch Kids, and you get $1 back. So basically it comes out to be $1 or 50 cents a bag if you guys buy 2 of them. My husband loves Swedish fish, so I'm like, yeah, I'll do that deal. So, got some candy. For the husband. I did the Skippy deal. I think this is going to be my last deal for the Skippy because I think it's reset for me like 5 times. So these were $2.17. I did use a 75-cent off a 2 printable coupon from coupons.com. You guys would end up paying $3.59, but then you can submit a 55-cent rebate and a 55-cent rebate with Ibotta, making it $2.49 or just $1.24. I have been swimming in peanut butter. I've never had this much peanut butter ever in my house. Usually I always have the bottle that I'm using, and then I have the bottle that I'm using and then like an extra one. But this, we're going crazy over some, my little helper's right next to me if you guys can't see. You want to help me? Yeah? Yeah. Okay, so I ended up doing the Hellman sauce. There was only 2 of the flavors. They were sold out of the other ones, and they still had some hang tags on them. So these were $3.47. I used a $2 off hang tag coupon that were attached to these. You guys would end up paying $1.47 for this, but then you can submit a $1 rebate with Ibotta, just making them 47 cents. So pretty good deal. If you guys have those, definitely check it out. Now this is a deal that I thought was super awesome, and I love this. Keebler cookies, you guys. Keebler cookies, okay? These were $1.98. You guys want to use a 75-cent printable coupon from coupons.com. You guys will pay $1.23 for this, but then you can submit a 75-cent rebate with Ibotta, just making it 48 cents. And if you guys like Girl Scout cookies, like, they didn't have the mint ones, but those ones are really good. And then these ones are just like caramel delights, or I used to call them Samoas, but they're just like the caramel cookies from Girl Scout cookies. So these are awesome. I love it. And for 50 cents, 48 cents, that is a great, great deal. Okay, so the next deal we got is the Dr. Scholl's. I ended up getting the flats, which is perfect for me because I do wear flats from time to time, and these are perfect for me. So these were $7.97. We do have a $5 off coupon that we got, I think, in our inserts this past week. But you would pay, you want to use that $5 off coupon, you would pay $2.97 for this. But then you guys can submit a $1.50 rebate with Ibotta, making it just $1.47. So that's a pretty good deal. Pretty good deal in case you guys need to get some flats for that. Now, I did also have the other coupon for $2 off. Now, it did say for any corn. It didn't say any size. My coupon did not scan at the store, but they entered it in because it does say corn. It doesn't have any other names on it. But these were $3.48. I used a $2 off coupon that we got from our inserts. You would pay a... Charlotte's being silly. You guys would pay $1.48 for this, but then you can submit a 75-cent rebate with Ibotta, making it just 73 cents. So if you guys need some corn removers, 73 cents. Definitely go ahead and do that. There's 9 of them in here. And then there's also a bonus, which I thought I was going to get the bonus for buying 2 of them, but you get a bonus if you buy this with another product. Let me go touch that. That's all my glitter. That's all my glitter. I don't want her touching my glitter. Okay. The next deal we got is the Bic razors. Now these were $5.22. I swear we had some inserts for them. I don't get them, but I know we had some. But you guys want to use, if you don't have the inserts for them, there was a $3 off printable coupon. You just go to shopbic.com. If you guys can't find it, you can also go to Lazo again and type in Bic, and it'll take you right to the website. But you want to use that $3 off printable coupon. You would pay $2.22 for this. But then you guys can submit a $3 rebate with Ibotta, making this free and a 78-cent moneymaker. So you guys would get this for free plus a moneymaker, and it is a limit of 1. So I was gonna do the deal twice, but the deal for Ibotta is a limit of 1. I thought this was kind of cute, little pink shampoo. Now this is Johnson's Kids shampoo. It just said with argan oil, silk proteins, and long-lasting shine and softness. It's got a little princess on it. So, sorry, I have like a little mini liquor bottle cabinet, and Charlotte's just digging them all off the shelf. So these are $4.92. There was a $2 off coupon that we got from our inserts. You guys would end up paying $2.92 for this, but then you guys can submit a $1 rebate with Ibotta, making it $1.92. So not the greatest deal, but you know what? It's supposed to help. So this will be perfect when Charlotte gets a little bit more hair on her head. Right now she's got the mullet, the party in the back going on. I ended up doing the dial deal. Thank you, Noreen, for sending me those coupons. These were $3.98. I used that buy one get one free coupon. You guys would end up paying $3.98 for the both of these, but then you can submit a 75-cent rebate and a 75-cent rebate with Ibotta, making them $2.48 or just $1.24. So I feel like we don't get a big deal, or we don't get like a big great deal for dial, but this says it's the family size, 21 ounces. So yeah, so in case you guys need some body wash, definitely go ahead and do that. Next deal I got is the Biotin mouthwash. Now this was $3.84. I used a $1.50 off printable coupon that is no longer available on coupons.com. You would get this for $2.34, but then you can submit a $2 rebate with Ibotta, making it just 34 cents. So if you guys need some Biotin for 34 cents, if you have those printable coupons still, go for it, okay? And I got a couple more left. Sorry, I went to Menards today to get some stuff, and I just carried the cold items with my stuff to bring it downstairs. So I ended up getting the Banquet pot pies. These were 82 cents. You guys would pay $2.46 for 3 of them. But then you can submit a 50-cent off of 3 rebate with Ibotta, making it $1.96 or just 65 cents a piece if you guys need to go do that route. I also got the Super Pretzel. I'm not a big fan of these as the Aunt Annie's, but in case you need some, go for it. So these were $2.64. I used a $1 off coupon that we got from our inserts a couple weeks ago. You would pay $1.64 for this. But then you guys can submit a 50-cent rebate with Ibotta, making it $1.14. So it's a pretty good deal for $1.14. And then I also got another tub of the Yoplait. I really love this deal, especially the smooth style. This is perfect for these little, I fill these little pouches up for Miss Charlotte, and she just sucks it right out. That's one thing I like about not having the chunks of fruit in it. So this was $2.37. You would pay $2.37 for this, but then you can submit a dollar rebate with Ibotta, making it just $1.37 if you guys need to do that. And then the last deal I got was the Owie yogurt. These were $1.22. You guys want to use $1 off of 4. Now there might be an insert coupon. I just printed off the printable coupon and I gotta figure out where I'm at. So use the $1 off of 4 coupon. You would pay $3.88 for this, but then you guys can submit 65 cents off a rebate times 4. So it comes out to be just $1.28 or 32 cents a piece. And you guys can submit your receipt to the General Mills. I think you get money back for the back to school stuff, I think, on the YoPlay. Or no, it's on Fetch. You guys get points for Fetch. So there was that. And that was my haul. A lot of stuff did not reset that I've done in the past couple weeks because I pretty much hit my limit, but my total was $52.26. I received $24.55 back with Ibotta. I finished level 2, so that was $1. The Weekend Warrior, I needed 12 rebates and it was for $1. Some of you guys mentioned that you got $1. Some of you mentioned that you get $5. It's different for every single person. Last week I got $5. This week I got $1. So it's just different for everybody. But my grand total came to $25.71. I got 33 items. That's just 77 cents a piece. I think for 33 items for 25 bucks, I think that's a pretty good deal. Considering like the Dr. Scholl's thing is like 8 bucks. You know, the macaroni and cheese is kind of expensive. I don't know what other expensive stuff I got. But yes, if you guys enjoyed this video, please let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys all another time. Now, next week is my birthday. We are going out of town. I don't know when I will be posting my video. It might be that Thursday morning. It might be Friday. I don't know. We're going to probably leave Thursday, so we will see if I do a Walmart Ibotta haul. I definitely want to do one for you guys, so definitely pay attention, Check out that and see if I do it. Again, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys all later. Bye-bye.